welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fashion video for anybody who would like to put on like some like corporate like dressy fancier clothes. So if you're like a corporate baddie, as they call as the young people are saying it now, or like if you just like to simply dress up nicely to your place of employment, I'm giving some perfect like sort of like end of winter spring outfits that'll work perfectly for you throughout this season. So stay tuned as I continue to show you the different outfits that I have put together. So in outfit number 1, I'm wearing a black blazer, a black shirt, and black leather pants. Now the black leather pants are a straight leg, but you can also opt for a skinnier fit. Outfit number 2, I'm wearing a green blazer with a black shirt. Again, those black leather pants at a straight leg with a nice little gold accent belt so it matches the jewelry perfectly. And again, you can also opt for skinnier fitting pants. With outfit number 3, I'm wearing an all black outfit with this perfect like black and white plaid blazer. It almost look a little bit grayish as well, but I love it because it pairs perfectly with my bag, and this blazer goes with so many all black outfits. You need it in your closet. And then here's outfit number 4. I have an all black outfit on, and then if you see, I've changed my jewelry to more of a silver look so it can match the bag perfectly. And then you have the gray blazer. Now the gray blazer, you need it in your closet. This gray blazer goes with so many different outfits. I love it. And then finally, here you have outfit number 5. And outfit number 5, again, is very simple, minimalist, but the blazer is the moment. If you can see this little silk type of tuxedo blazer, it's a really light gray, but it's perfect and it literally tops the outfit off. So that concludes the end of this fashion video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down below in the comments how you feel about the different outfits that I showed today. Let me know if there's any other outfit ideas that you would like me to put together, especially for this upcoming spring. I already have some ideas in mind, but let me know if you have any more suggestions. And also, just know that I will be continuing to post different outfit ideas and different fashion ideas. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to you watching again soon.